Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Let's get right into it. This is how my hair looks. It's been about a month. I forget which day I actually did them on, but as you can see, the braids are starting to come out a little bit of the crochet lock. That happens sometimes. It's okay. It's perfectly normal. This is about a month growth. And this is how it looks. Overall, the style has lasted pretty well. It does get caught on things, but I'm used to that. This can happen. So I work with kids and like I'll sit down on the floor and it'll get pulled or they'll pull them. You can reattach the piece that goes here, but I just left it because I think I threw it away. But it's easy, you just tie it. I actually have one. This is an example of one that came apart and I kind of just tied it. You can't really tell because it blends in. You can fix it if you want. If not, it'll just be shorter. So I used 2 packs of this and a little bit out of the 3rd pack. I bought 4, but honestly, this is 2 and a little bit of the 3rd one. I would recommend just doing 2 and just counting how many you have in there and doing however many parts you have, because I think 3 would just be way too much. This is 2 pack. And it is pretty full. For the roots of the edges, I found this hair. Thankfully, it was random and it matched, and that is what I used to wrap the front of my hair. Use some moisturizing foam before I put them all in to keep my hair moisturized. And this is the edge control that I use. It's really good. And I just have these 2 combs, a crochet hook, and my edge brush. I'm going to start by leaving this in the ponytail and just taking one out. This is one that I have wrapped and it's actually coming undone. Okay, so I'm just going to use this comb and find my braid and just pull my braid out. So here's my braid. These, and just cut over here, away from my hair and away from the braid, and just work it until you can pull it all out. Just play with it. This is how my part looks. Grab some edge control. I left my ends like this. Remember, if you want the crochet to fall this way, you need to put the hook in this way. There is a little loop. Let me show you. You put it in here, close it, pull it through, open the loop, pull both of them through. Tighten this up. And then you're going to open and wrap. You gotta make sure you do it the right way. Then I take 1, 2, 3, about 3 or 4 of these curly strands. I put it like this. And I literally just wrap it like my faux lock video. So if you haven't seen that, go look. Wrap the root really good so you cannot see it. I use my thumb to put some designs. And when you get to the end, just boom. Okay. Try to get as close as you can. Grab the end with the loop, and you'll be able to tell. Sorry for my ratchet nails, I have to get them done. If you can't open it, just try your best. Eventually you'll find it right there. And I want it to fall this way, so I will put the crochet hook this way. Open up the loop, pull both hairs through. And tighten. And start wrapping. So open and around. They're so long, so I have to keep taking this hand off. Open and around. Open and around. Open, around. One, two, three, four. Make sure they're all even. You just want a little bit, just so you have a foundation, and start wrapping. You can wrap tight first, and then you want to do a loose one, so you can see the curl at the root. And just keep wrapping. As far as you can go, honestly. If you want to go back up, you can. But I was just doing it all the way down. If you have a lot left and you just want to pull it through this hoop and just whoop, so you have a little curl at the end. These are looking way better already. I'll show you this one to compare. Do you see how it's kind of curled around and you can see it? When it does this, I'll just try it again. And if it doesn't cooperate, that's why we have the curly hair over it, so you can't see the black. See, now it's better. I forgot to mention I did wrap these, and I wrapped the ones that are going down the middle. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 down the middle. I did the 4 on each side. Okay, this is the final look. These are my edges. I didn't really wear it like this down straight like this, but I do like the middle part. You can wrap the ones in the back. I just didn't because I don't look at the back. I'm gonna show you my go-to hairstyle. And then I just take one of the ones that I have wrapped. So like this one, it's on the side, and I just wrap it around once, and I kind of just tuck it under the hair tie so you can't see it. So I like this hairstyle. You can also put it all in one. And again, just wrap one around and just tuck it in the back. I mean, I guess you could put it in a bun, but it's kind of big, so I never put it in a bun. See how big it is. I mean, I guess it could be real cute if you like. Ooh, it's just real big. Ooh, okay, there. I mean, if you like this look, I guess you could do this, but I wouldn't. It's kind of heavy now. The side pony's cute. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.